students. So today I brought in a very interesting part of your quants, that is your cubes of the numbers. And still a lot of people find it very difficult to handle cubes of the number if it is coming in the examinations. Today I'm just going to give you the step-by-step procedure in order to identify the cubes of the numbers from 1 to 99. Okay, it's pretty much easy. Okay, just follow with me and stick on. Let's learn all the different types over here. Okay, now starting with the basics. So you need to have certain prerequisites in order to start learning about these cubes. The first and the most important prerequisite is knowing your cubes from 1 to 10. Beyond that, it's my responsibility to completely make you understand how to find it within 20 seconds. Mark my words, within 20 seconds. Fine. Now, first the cube of 1 is 1, cube of 2 is 8, 3 27, for 4 it is 64, 5 125, 6 216, 7 343, 8 it is 512, 9 it is 729, and 10 it is 1000. Fine. If you know these basic cubes, we can proceed further. Now if you observe the cube of 1, the cube of 1, the cube of 4, 5, 6, 9, everything have the same numbers in their units place. For 1 cube it is 1, for 4 cube the units place is 4, for 5 cube the units place is 5, for 6 cube the units place is going to be 6, and for the 9 cube the units place is going to be 9. Right? Next, in case of your 2 and 8, the units place are interchanged or they are swapped. In case of your 3 and 7, the units place are interchanged. Now these are your very basics. Okay, this is very important in order to find out the perfect cubes. Fine, let's get started. So the units place will be same for 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, and will be exchanged for 2 and 8 and 7 and 3. Fine. Now under these cubes we have 4 different types. For the numbers which are ending with 1, the numbers which are starting with 1, the repeating numbers, and the random numbers. The 4 different types. So we are going to solve certain problems based on each of these types. Okay, starting with the type number 1. Okay, for your simplicity purpose I have just mentioned all the cubes from 1 to 10 on the right hand side. Now for the numbers starting with 1, this is the type 1 of problems. Here you just concentrate on the second number. Okay, since we are going to find out the cubes of these numbers, we need 4 different spots. Fine, it will be starting from 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, because here the given number is 2 and the highest power is 3. So we are starting from 2 power 0 to 2 power 3. 2 power 0 is nothing but 1, this is nothing but 2, this is nothing but 4, this is nothing but 8. Now omit the first and the last numbers, just neglect it. Okay, multiply the middle numbers by 2. The middle numbers becomes 4, this becomes 8. Now start adding these numbers. So this 8 comes down as 8, 4 plus 8 becomes 12, 2, 1 carry, 2 plus 4 becomes 6, 1, 7, 1, 7, 2, 8. Now this is your answer for 12 cube. Yes, this is the answer for 12 cube. Easy it is. Now let us try it for 13 cube. Same way, starts from 3 power 0, it goes up to 3 power 3. So 3 power 0 is nothing but 1, 3 power 1 is nothing but 3, 3 square is nothing but 9, 3 cube is nothing but 27. Omit the first and the last numbers, multiply the middle numbers by 2, this becomes 6, this becomes 18. Now from 27 just bring down 7, carry the 2 over here, it's become 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 9 becomes 29, 9 2 carry, 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11, 1 carry, this becomes 2. 2197 is the answer for your 13Q. Check it out if you're having confusions. Fine, don't trust me also. Next similar way, do it for 15. The second number is 5, starts from 5 power 0 and goes up to 5 power 3. It is nothing but 1, 5 power 1 is 5, 5 square is 25, 5 cube is 125. Omit the first and the last numbers, multiply the middle numbers by 2. This becomes 10, this becomes 50. Just bring down the 5 from the last, 12 carry, this becomes 75 plus 12, 87, 7, 8 carry, this becomes 15, 20, 23, 3, 2 carry, this becomes 3375. This becomes your answer for 15Q. Now in the same way, you can give a try for 18, 19, 14, whatever numbers you want. Everything will give you the exact answers. Now how much time did it take for me? Less than 20 seconds or maximum 20 seconds. Now this is the method which you need to apply in any of your competitive exams, not the normal multiplication method. It is going to consume a lot of time, right? So let's get started with the type number 2. It went good, right? The type number 1. Let's get started with type number 2. Type number 2 are the problems which are ending with the number 1. Ending with number 1. The method doesn't change, but only the ordering changes. In the earlier one, we started from 2 power 0, we went up to 2 power 3 or whichever number we had. Here we are going to start from 2 power 3 and go up to 2 power 0. Here the first number is 2, 3, 5. This is going to be 2 power 0, or it's going to start with 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 1, 2 power 0. So this can be written as 8, 4, 2, 1. Similar way, omit the first and the last numbers, multiply the middle numbers by 2, this becomes 8, this becomes 4. Now the answer becomes 1, 6, 4 plus 8 is 12, 2, 1 carry, this becomes 9, 2, 6, 1. Fine, let's do it for 31Q. The number is 3, starts from 3 power 3, goes up to 3 power 0. So it is nothing but 27, 27, and the next one is, yes, come on, becomes 9. Is it right? No, I am making a mistake, right? So 3 cube is nothing but 81. So 81, 27, 9, 1. This is what it is. So now omit the first and the last numbers. So this becomes, am I making a mistake? 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 27. Yes, it was right. So I am just going back to the basics. Okay. So now, 3 cube and 3 power 0. Let me just erase it out. Now, starting with the next number for 31Q, 3 power 3, it goes up to 3 power 0. 3 power 3 is nothing but 27, 3 square is 9, 3 power 1 is 3, this is nothing but 1. Omit the first and the last numbers and multiply the middle numbers by 2. This becomes 18, this becomes 6. Fine. Now, this becomes 1, 6 plus 3 is 9, 18 plus 9 is 27, 7, 2, this becomes 29, this becomes 2, 9, 7, 9, 1. This becomes your answer. 29,791. Check it out if you're having doubt. Next 51 cube starts with 5 cube, goes up to 5 power 0. 5 cube is 125, 5 power 1 is 1, in between it is 25 and 5. Omit the first and the last numbers, multiply the middle numbers by 2, this becomes 50, this becomes 10. This becomes 1, 5 plus 10 is 15, 5, carry 1, 75, 76, 6, 7, this becomes 132, 1, 3, 2, 6, 5, 1. This becomes the answer for this. Fine. Now the first type and the second type we saw. Pretty much easy. Everything we were able to solve within 20 seconds if our calculation speed was a bit good, right? Adding, subtracting, multiplication, whatever. Everything should be fast enough. So that's the reason speed math is very important. If not, if your speed math is a bit weak, I would suggest you to go back and check our playlist for speed math. It is having a complete track of everything from A to Z. So you can just have a look at it and get a better knowledge about the speed math and improve your speed. Fine. Let us start with type number 3, where it is nothing but the repeating numbers. 22, 33, 44, keeps on going. So now here in the type number 1 and 2, we were concentrating on one of the numbers and we were doing it that way. But here both the numbers are same, so we can concentrate on any one of the number. Fine. And here we are not going to decrease the powers but keep it the same. So this is going to be 2 power 3, 2 power 3, 2 power 3, 2 power 3. Means it is going to be 8, 8, 8, 8. Omit the first and the last numbers. Multiply the middle numbers by 2. This becomes 16, 16. This becomes 8. 8 plus 16 is 24. 4, 2, 24 plus 2 is 26. 6, 2, 10, 10, 0, 6, 4, 8. Now this becomes the answer for your 22 cube. Similar way for 33 cube, 3 cube is 27. So it becomes 27, 27, 27, 27. Fine. Omit the first and the last numbers. Multiply the middle numbers by 2. This becomes 54, 54. 27 gets 7 down. This becomes 2. This becomes 81 plus 2, 83. 3, 8. 81 plus 8, 89. 9, 8. This becomes 35. 3, 5, 9, 3, 7. 3, 5, 9, 3, 7. Comes the answer for this. Similar way for 44 cube, 4 cube is 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 64, 64, 64, 64. Omit the first and the last. Multiply the middle numbers by 2. This becomes 128. This becomes 128. 64, bring 4 down, 6 goes up. This becomes 120 plus 60, 180, 180, 188, 192, 192 plus 6, 198, right? 198. Now 8, 19 carry. This becomes 192, 192, 192 plus 19. 192 plus 10 becomes 202. 202 plus 9 becomes 211. 121. This becomes 80, 85. 85184 becomes the answer for this. How am I doing this? Quick speed math, right? So just get used to it and start practicing more. Anything in mathematics or in quants, everything is dependent on practice. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Fine. So let's rewind it. So for type 3 type of problems, so you just need to repeat the same numbers 4 times. Omit the first and the last numbers, multiply the middle numbers by 2 and start getting the answers. As simple as that. Again, even this would take you only 20 seconds. Type 1, type 2, type 3. I have kept up my word, so it's up to you people to keep on practicing it repeatedly. Fine. Let's get to the type number 4. Type number 4 is nothing but your random numbers. Under random numbers, it can be any number from 1 to 99. It can be 23, it can be 37, it can be 49, it can be 47, 45, whatever, random numbers. In that case, how do I do? In this case, we need to take into consideration both the numbers. Okay, the first will be the cube of the first number, 2 cube. The last will be the cube of the last number, 3 cube. In middle, you will be having square of the first number multiplied by the second number. Square of the first number is 2 square 4. 2 square into 3 will be the second number, and the third number will be the square of the third number or square of the second number multiplied by the first number. That will be 3 square into 2. So 2 square is nothing but 4. 4 into 3 will become 12, and this becomes 3 square into 2. 9 into 2 is nothing but 18. So can I improve it? It becomes 8, 12, 18, 27. So first and the last number gets cancelled. Multiply the middle numbers by 2. This becomes 24. This becomes 36. 27, it becomes 7. 2 carry. 20, 36, 56, 6, 5 carry. 30, 36, 41. 1, 4 carry. This becomes 12, 167. 1, 2, 167 is the answer for this one. Okay, it's going to be the answer for 23 cube. Same way for 45 cube, 4 cube is going to be 64, 5 cube is going to be 125. Square of the first number is going to be 4 square 16, 16 into 5 is going to give you 80. 5 square is going to be 25, 25 into 4 is going to give you 100. Fine. Now this becomes, omit the first and the last numbers, and this becomes 160, this becomes 200. Now bring down 5 as it is and carry 12. This becomes 200 plus 100, 300. 300 plus 12 is 312. 231. This becomes 180 plus 160. 80 plus 160, 240. 240 plus 30, 271. 127. 80, 87, 91. 91125. 91125. This becomes the 45 cube. Fine. Same way 67 cube, 6 cube is going to be 216, 7 cube is going to be 343, 7 square is going to be 49, or 6 square is going to be 36, 36 into 7. So 3 sevens are 21, 6 into 7 becomes 42, 21, 210 plus 42 becomes 252. This becomes 252. 7 square becomes 49. 49 into 6. 50 into 6 becomes 5 6 are 30. 300. 300 minus 6. 300 minus 6 becomes 294. 294. This and this gets cancelled, and 252 into 2 becomes 500. 504. And then 294 into 2 becomes 300 into 2, 600. 600 minus 12 becomes 588. 588, right? So this becomes 334 carry. This becomes 700. 790. 790 plus 10, 800. 870. 870. 870 plus 30, 900. 908. 912, 916, 691. This becomes 700, 750, 700, 750 or 790, 790, 800, 840, 840 plus 843, 847, 784. This becomes 290, 290, 300. 300763. This becomes the answer for this. Even the biggest numbers becomes very easy when you do this type of method. Okay, so these are the 4 different types under your cubes. Type 1 starting with 1, type 2 ending with 1, type 3 repeating numbers, type 4 where your random numbers. Okay, so these are the different types. Keep on practicing in order to get more idea about it. Okay, now this is your practice questions. Some 4 questions I have given. give your answers in the comment box and we'll check out your answers and revert back to you in case of any queries. Okay, now in case if you want to practice more or anything, you can just log into our app. It is available both on Play Store as well as App Store. So just go and search for LearnCrew and you can get our app and you can start using it and start attending mock test. In case if you want to check our playlist, I will pin it down in the description for you. You can go back and check out our playlist for your speed math or any other things. Okay, so this is most of the things. So keep practicing. That is the key for success. Nothing else is going to help you out. So if somebody is telling don't study, you will get marks. No, it's just a fake thing, right? So keep practicing. Only that is going to help you out crack any entrance exams. Entrance exams, yes, it is wonderful. The speed what you develop day by day, it is more essential compared to anything else. So keep practicing. That is one main thing which is going to take you forward in life. Okay, thank you. Keep it easy, make it easy. In case if you find any difficulties or any other queries or you want to learn more, just contact us, and I have just given us number, so you can just drop a message or you can drop a comment in the comment section or you can just mail us or whatever it is. So we'll reach out to you, we'll help you out. Okay, so kindly follow us and subscribe to us. Only then it encourages us to do a lot of more videos. So just keep us in track and we'll get you more such wonderful content and help you people crack your entrance exams. Thank you.